Hello, I'm Phil Svitek, 360 Creative Coach, and in this episode, I want to talk about doing ADR in your own place. So I'm working on a feature film, and rather than go to an expensive studio and waste a lot of money, I've decided to do it in my own apartment. Now, is the quality going to be as good? No, but it's going to be good enough, as Robert Rodriguez might say. So what I've done, I work now with the Adobe Creative Suite. So I edited it on Premiere, and I've basically transferred everything to Adobe Audition. And I've gotten rid of all the tracks that I don't need, and I've just kept the ones for reference that I need to ADR. Okay. And then what I do is, so I've got my Mac Mini, and that is hooked up to this M Audio unit. I've got two mics because I did do a conversation with two different people for the ADR, but generally it's just one person. So that person will sit here, I'll cue it up, they'll have the headphones, they'll listen, and then I'll talk in the mic. I'll have a channel dedicated just for them. We'll record it a couple times. I'll finesse it, see if it times out, and we keep it moving. So and the big thing of this lesson is that you don't have to have all this fancy stuff to really do it. Like all in all, if you take a look at it, right, most ADR places, or when people think of ADR, you need a sound booth, you need a professional engineer, you need a sound studio, all this stuff that costs like thousands upon thousands of dollars. This isn't necessarily like cheap. Yeah, I've got the mics, I've got the M Audio, and all this other stuff, but in the grand scheme of things, it's pennies on the dollar. So whatever you're making, be creative, get out there, and you know what? More oftentimes, like, it's not just good enough, it actually sounds really decent. So do yourself a favor. Anyway, for other lessons, feel free to follow me or subscribe to any of my platforms at Phil Svitek, and I hope to see you next time.